Hi guys, my name is George, and today we're gonna talk about Rightblogger, an AI writer, and I'm gonna show you how you can make blog content for your website in a few minutes. Rightblogger is a tool who has only one plan, which is unlimited. It costs €30 and it has 49 great tools. But today we're going to focus on the AI writer, the article writer, and let's get started to not waste your time. Let's start. First, we go to the all tools and we have the article writer. First thing we should do, we can make a post title. Let's say we want to write an article about sports, and we just add one keyword, sport. Here we have the tone of writing, let's say excited, and if we can add additional instruction. So let's say fitness. Now let's generate a title. Okay, let's say get fit and have fun. 5 awesome sports to try today. Fuel your fitness journey. A beginner's guide to sports nutrition. Let's see more. Boost your endurance. 7 essential exercise for every athlete. Okay, let's try with this. Let's go back to the article writer. We put the title here. Here we have some options. Uh, we disabled this because we only have the headers. If we put images are not very accurate all the time, but we just leave it today like this. If you want to include links and use real time data, the same we will use excited, the language you choose from here. We have two types of forms, the long over 1000 words and the short one. We leave it, so let's try with the short one. And this, how do you want a point of view? Automatic, first person plural, and let's leave automatic and generate. I choose the short form because it lasts a little time. For a long article, it lasts something like 3 minutes or so, depending of the content that it made. He already done it. We have 800 words. Let's see. Boost your endurance, 7 essential exercise for every athlete. The importance of endurance training. 1. Running, the foundation of endurance. Cycling, pedal your way to endurance. Swimming, dive into endurance. High intensity interval trainings or HIIT. Circuit training, stairs climbing, and jumping rope. And a conclusion, as you see, it make a very good job, very fast, and believe me, the text is very accurate and very cool. I hope it was helpful. Bye bye. I see you next time.